Hi, this is Mandy from SunflowersAndDors. Welcome back to my channel. Today is a really quick video. I've got a couple of new kits to show you. So I figured it was easier to do that on film rather than to try and do pictures. This one blends beautifully with the desk. This one is called Floral News, and it is currently in my Etsy. And I'll quickly run through this one with you. So we've got quite a nice busy collage type page there. And then we've got a plain journal page, plain new. And then a really plainer version with lines. This is one of the mixed pages, just with a range of different things on them, and smaller, usually for smaller journals, just in case you're not doing some of the big whopping ones. There's two versions of this. The one is the busier version, so it's got all the background pieces, and the other one is the less busy version. So it depends on which one you decide you like. So we've got some large tags there. We've got some smaller tags here, and we have got some tickets, labels, whatever you want to call them there. There's a trifold folio with some additional pieces on that you can kind of experiment and play with. Then there is a set of journal cards, and these are with the busier print. Then we have some file folders, or index cards really, isn't it? They're index cards, but you can use them as pockets as well. We've got some large pockets. I don't always find the pockets in journals, especially the kits, are really big enough sometimes. So there's some nice large pockets there. And exactly the same with the side pockets. I've tried to size those because I find the smaller ones don't hold very much at all. But hopefully these will do the job. Then we've got some library cards with some pockets. We've got another, this is a double piece you fold over to make a pocket, like an envelope pocket type thing, and some other different configurations that you can use to embellish that a little bit further. We've got some text, a load of different sizes and styles, shapes of text. Got a nice big chunky file folder, and that can be resized down if it's too big in its current format. Nice large envelope, again that can be resized down. A smaller envelope, again with some additional embellishment pieces just to add and make that a little bit more interesting. And probably more for people who feel less confident putting things together in kits. It's nice to have some kind of something to go with. Some envelopes. No, they're not. These ones are postcards. Need to wake up. Some frames. This is you can use this in a number of ways. When I did it, first of all, the idea was that it would be a double belly band, so this would attach onto your page and attach just on the top and bottom and be a belly band, and then this belly band would attach on the front here, so you'd have another belly band. But I actually really liked putting this right on the end here and having it as a pocket, and then attaching this to the journal page as on three sides as another pocket, so you ended up with a double pocket. And then there's two little pieces here which you can add on as a pocket on top of these belly bands if you wanted to. But yeah, there's loads of different options with that. So yeah, there we go. Then we've got a page border. I've done an example on what page border looks like, but because you can choose to have it on either side of the page, I haven't built this one, which I've done in previous kits. This one you kind of just put together yourself. And yeah, you can have it for a left side, right side. You can have it as a text spot So if you were to have this on your page here, you could have that you just glue it along here and you've got a tuck spot or side pocket or tuck or whatever. So again, lots of options with that one. This one, just some ruler kind of washy lines and some scrappy bits of card. Again, this is the dangles page. So again, I haven't put these ones together. You basically build these ones yourself. Just as and when you can add some laces or fabrics to these as well, which will really embellish those and kind of make them great texturally. Is that a word? It is today. And then some scrappy bits just for any additional embellishing. And then we've got a page of whale tails, all different size whale tail tabs, because not one size fits all. So that is the new floral news. I probably should have called it soft florals actually, because it really is beautiful, soft, warm colours. But yeah, I'm really quite pleased with that one. And then I've got two more to show you. Now this one here, this is a William Morris inspired monthly planner. It is in my Etsy, but I'm also releasing these monthly in the Facebook group. So just before the month starts, I'll release the new version. And Justine from the Facebook group House of Mahalo has got these in her Patreon to give as a full set. Now it comes in three kind of different ways, I suppose. So we've got January, February, March, April, and that goes right the way through to December. Then we have some back-ins. So we've got 6 different colour backs. So the idea is that you would cut this out just a bit shorter than that and have that on top of there as a back. So this would almost be like the border, but you've also got that as a standalone piece. And if you didn't want a border and you were happy just to go with that, you've got that as well. So there's 1, 2, 3 different options you can use there. And then, as I said, there's 6 different William Morris inspired back-in sheets. These ones had a bit of an epi with the printer. They weren't playing very well. So, yeah, 6 different versions. That's the same one there. So you can play around with those. And then I've got 12 versions here where I've already attached the page to the back. So you've got the William Morris inspired image on the back of your monthly planner. So they're not dated. They start Sunday to Saturday. They're literally not dated. You can put your own dates in. You can use them for whatever years. And as I said, there's lots of different options as to how you can use them. So you can either just go with the ready-made stuff, or you can create different versions for yourself. So, and those William Morris pages are fun just to use for some floral journals anyway. So yeah, really kind of cute little kit there. So as I said, that is in my Etsy, but it's also going out as free monthly pieces in the Facebook group, Junk Journal Ideas and Inspirations, and it's in Justine's Patreon. And then each quarter in the Facebook group, this does go in my Etsy, but the full kit is available in my Facebook group. And that is, as I said, Junk Journal Ideas and Inspirations that Justine and myself run. We have a fabulous team of moderators that support that process, and we couldn't do it without them. But each quarter I do a quarter themed seasonal prayer journal. So this is the new one for the spring, and this is simple doves. So there are doves around, and there's scriptural pages. So there's that one there, that one there, that one there, that one there. These are beautiful and bright for spring. And that one there, and a blank journal page there, another blank journal page there without the border on, and then we've got the 3 prayer sheets. So that's for your daily prayer, kind of notes, and then you've got your any prayer requests, and you've also got your notes page. So, as I said, that is in my Etsy, but if you're in the Facebook group, please don't buy it from the Etsy, because it will be going into the Facebook group as a freebie file or freebie kit. And I think that's scheduled to go in towards the end of February. So, yeah, 3 completely different style kits there. Prayer journal, the William Morris planner, and the Floral News. So 3 new kits. Yeah, love to know what you think about them. Please feel free to drop me a comment in the comment section below, because it really is good to know what you guys like and what you don't like, and so that I can make sure I am working to kind of try and get something for everybody. But that is it. I'll leave it there. As always, stay safe, be well, and I will catch you in the next video. Until then, bye for now.